amazing to have you here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I love you. Hi guys, today I'm going to share to you what I made today. Bechamel macarona with ground meat. So easy and affordable pa mga ingredients natin na available lang sa ating mga bahay. So let's start po. So we have here our minced onion, medium size, half kilo of ground meat, and black pepper and salt to taste, and 500 ml of milk. We have our macarona, then some of our mozzarella, then our minced garlic, and 4 tablespoons of flour. Then let's saute our minced garlic. Saute it until it turns to golden brown. Then let's add our onion until it's caramelized. We can put a meat cube, it's optional. Then we can add now our ground meat. Mix it well until it's cooked. Then let's just mix it well. Then we can taste it, so it depends on your taste. Then after this, let's set aside and let's start for our white sauce. So let's put like half cup of oil. So tinansya ko na lang yan. Then gradually we're going to put our flour. Let's just mix it until the flour dissolves. So pag dissolves na yung ating flour, we can gradually put our milk. Keep on mixing para hindi magbuo-buo. So, i-mix lang siya ng i-mix para maiwasan natin yung pamumuo ng flour natin. Until we reach our desired thickness. So, let's just keep mixing it. Then we can put salt and black pepper to taste. Let's dissolve our flour very well. So, iwasan natin magkaroon siya ng buo-buo. Then, we can check the thickness. So, dapat ganito siya kalapot. Hindi siya malagnaw. So, this done, we will going to start layering. So, here, I put first the ground meat. So let's just spread it evenly. Then we can put our white sauce. So, para hindi dry yung bottom ng ating bechamel. Then we're going to put the macarona. So I'm arranging it. So it's better to do this way para hindi messy. Ganito lang siya, ihilera lang natin siya ng ilihera ng maayos para okay naman siyang tignan. Tsaka pag ni-slice natin siya, naka-align yung macarona. So after this, we will going to repeat the first one. So we will put again a layer of our ground meat, then the white sauce, So, spread lang po natin ulit para yung middle merong ground meat and white sauce. Then, we will put again our macarona. So guys, simpleng pamamaraan lang po ito ng paggawa ko ng macarona bechamel. Okay, what is available only in our home? So I applied into it. Easy lang po, di ba? Kahit hindi expensive ng ating mga ingredients, so we can make our bechamel macarona. Then our ground meat. So, mas marami siya ngayon sa ibabaw kasi final na siya. So, let's just spread it. Then, our white sauce. So, let's just spread it evenly. Pwede nyo siya lagyan ng parsley, pero hindi ko po siya nilagyan because we have kids at home. So, mahirap kang pipilian pa nila yung parsley sa ibabaw. So, hindi ko na siya nilalagyan. So, spread lang po natin mabuti yung ating white sauce. Then after this, we are going to top it with our mozzarella cheese. So, gandahan muna natin para pantay. So, this one, our mozzarella cheese. So, if you want to put more mozzarella, it's okay. Then we are going to bake it in 190 degrees Celsius until it turns to golden brown. Then, after that, it will go like this. Then, we are done. So, easy lang po, diba? What is available in our home, we can make our mozzarella macarona. So, disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako professional. So, yeah, I want to try easy and simple macarona. So, thank you for watching po. Hope you subscribe and like my channel. Thank you po.